Hi everyone, I'm really excited to show you how to make Mistral Large Language Model talk to your local PDF files. Let's get started. First step, git clone and then caton ml llm-mistral-invoice-cpu. Once after you clone your repo, go into the folder. Now we are going to create a Conda environment. Conda creates --name mistralpdf Python 3.11. Going to create the environment, and the environment is getting created now. Now activate the environment. Conda activate Mistral PDF. Once that is activated, install the required package. Pip install -r requirements.txt file. That will install all the required packages. Once after the packages get installed, download the model. wget and then URL of the model, which you can find from Hugging Face repo, and then you are moving that to the models folder, -p models. So that model will get saved in that folder. It will take approximately a minute to download the model. Now the model got downloaded. If you see the current folder structure, you can see inside the data folder there is an invoice1.pdf, and inside the models folder you got Mistral 7b instruct model there. I'm going to show you what is in that PDF. Open data invoice. You can see the PDF here is just a basic invoice document. We are going to query this document. You can change the settings and the different types of model you are using from the config file, which is listed here, config.yaml. So if you open that, nano-config.yaml, there you can see what you want to change. If you want to change the model name or the model file, you can change it here. If you're planning to change the vector store, you can change it here. And if you want to change the chunk size or chunk overlap, you can change it here. So as a first step, we are going to ingest Python ingest.py. This will automatically ingest the data from the invoice1.pdf and create the required embeddings and save that data as embeddings. Next, Python Main.py, and I'm going to ask what is the name of the seller. The name of the seller is Chapman Kim Green, which you can double check here at the top. Chapman Kim Green. Now, as an example, I'm going to copy another file, which is the LLM PDF file, and I'm going to move that to the data folder. And again, I'm going to do Python ingest.py to ingest that data. The PDF is about comprehensive overview of large language models. Now the data got ingested. I'm going to ask question based on that paper. This Python main.py, list the authors in the comprehensive overview of large language models paper. Now you got the answer, Hamza Naveed Azad. So if you see the paper, you can see it's their name listed there. So that's exactly how you retrieve data from a PDF using Mistral 7 billion parameter model. And also you can use any other models and extract the data. I hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.